Okay, it's just about twilight now on July 22nd, and no, that's not my store. But I'm across the lot from across the street at the Bellevue Sears now, and this is what it's reading inside my truck. Not super high. If you thought Fred Meyer was bad, right across the street, you ain't seen nothing yet. Note to self, prepare to get nuked. Yep, those are the bandits. Thanks for watching. Imagine if my truck were made out of aluminum instead of steel. Not only would the gas mileage be better, but so would my radiation protection. Thing of it is, we would need aluminum coated windshields. Oh well, bada bing, bada boom. Thanks for watching again.